week, guys, I needed roasted conso badly, and I just remember I have toaster up, and I decided to give it a try. There's no point of buying these things. You can make use of it, guys. You just look as if maybe I just wasted money. Understand? I really needed roasted corn. I've cooked corn yesterday. I just need to use this toasting machine to roast the corn and add the corn. I still show you how to do it. See, let me have it. This is my air fryer. Wasted money buying this and keeping it inside without making use of giving it a try. Easy, as it should be, guys. I don't want any color to be left on the dish. See, I put so much This is the finishing part of my roasted corn, guys. You can see it almost get burnt, but I'm loving it like this. You know why? I don't want to eat undone corn or a no wet roasted corn. I just like it like this, guys. I want to use my already boiled pear to send the corn to my stomach. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.